everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, in case you don't know, is an online styling service. You fill out a style profile, you pay them $20. They'll curate a box of 5 items, send them your way. Anything you want to keep in that box, you can keep. And all you have to do is pay the amount of the item. If you don't want to keep anything, you send it back. You are out that styling fee. If you keep anything, that styling fee is then applied to what you keep. Keep 5 or more items, you get 25% off your box, or 5 items, all 5. I have the styling pass. If you're offered the styling pass, do it. It's $49 a year. That $49 gets applied to whatever you buy for an entire year. So it's, if you buy one thing, it's worth it. And then you can get unlimited number of fixes and you don't ever pay a styling fee. So for me, there's no harm in getting a box, except for my wallet, to see if you want anything, all right? So some of you like when I do the unboxing, some of you like when I do the try-ons. I'm going right into the try-on today. I'm doing a styling of how I would style the items. And the first styling thing is the top is my own, the bottoms are from them, but I kind of cheated and used the style card. All right, so I'll go with the top. The top is something that I got from Trendsend. It's a fake mock neck here, and it's sleeveless, and it's just a knit. All right, the bottoms are by Michael Stars. They're the Sonia patch pocket gauze in tan, size extra small petite, $158. Well, that's some price tag. I tried to look for the material on these. I do believe they're 100% cotton. They feel wonderful. And I do like these on me a lot. I'm going to have to think long and hard about these. These would be like a staple in my wardrobe for like the next 20 years. No joke. I mean, they're great, great summer pant. And I don't know about it, I'll still wear shorts, but as I get older, I wear shorts less and less. And I'm not a huge skirt person either. I like pants. So, these are easy breezy, super comfortable. They have the patch pockets in front. They're gauze material. I don't think they're too tight in my tush. When I pulled them out of the box, I was like, oh boy, these look tiny. But I don't think they're bad. They feel like they have a lot of room back here. And I don't think they're clean at all. And the pockets aren't pulling, and they're a perfect length for me. So I am seriously considering these pants. And again, I don't think I could look for a label. I could not find a material label, but I'm going to assume they're 100% cotton gauze. They feel wonderful. I pair with them a pair of Dolce Vita, like snake skin, like slide-on sandals. And yeah, definitely thinking about these. What do you think about them? The price tag is a little hefty, but it's one of those things where the cost per wear and the longevity of them, I think, might make it worth it. And I'm going to look back at the footage to make sure it's not too tight. I have a pair of black. They have like a split leg, kind of like these. And they were from Trendsend, and they were probably a good $100, if not more. And I have to say, I wear the heck out of them every summer. So I would not mind having these. I think these are a neutral color, and I can wear them multiple different ways. All right, give me a minute, and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, the next item is by Chaser. It's the Bayshore Ruched waist knit top in white, size extra small, $62. Pretty pricey fix I got going here. So this top is 65% polyester, 35% rayon. It is bra friendly, not much I have to say. I think most of my bra is being hidden by these nice thick straps. That one thing I really do like about it. It has a ruched waist, but it's more of an empire waist on me. It's definitely not sitting at my waist, which is right here. And then it has the peplum style bottom. It does have a little tie here, which I actually had to untie to get this over my head. Otherwise, it was too tight. It's a floral. It's cute. It has, blue and green flowers. This would look cute. I'm wearing them with a pair of denim shorts cut from the cloth that I recently purchased directly from Eve, and a pair of my summer flip-flops, because this is how I would kind of wear this outfit in the summer. I like this top. I think it's adorable. But for $62 and 65% polyester, I just don't think it's saying, Carolyn, you have to have me. Whereas I think if I sent back those pants, I'd be regretting it, because those would be a good staple in my closet. Again, I got to look at the footage, make sure I look okay in the pants. But This top, I like it. I'm very happy my stylist found it for me. It's really cute, but I just don't think I have to have it, if that makes sense. And at some point I have to say, Carolyn, your wardrobe is exploding. You don't need any more items, and you really have to be picky and choosy about what you're keeping. And this would be the item that I would say, I just don't need it. It's not something I have to add to my wardrobe. All right, here's the back of it again. I think most of my bra is being hidden, and I'm sure I could probably find another bra that would even hide it even more. So yeah, I mean, a cute top. Doesn't quite sit at my waist. Like this whole ruching here is like literally empire. I'm not so sure if it's supposed to be like that, but it's cute. I just don't think I need it. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. Okay, the next top I actually had a little bit problem styling, and for that reason I'll probably send it back. This is a dark charcoal gray, and you're like, oh, Caroline, dark charcoal gray is anything. But when it's this dark, it didn't look good with black. I think I was trying to, I just had a hard time. It was so dark, but wasn't black, all right? So I ended up putting it on with a pair of work pants that I used to wear back pre-2020, and they're a little snug on me. I'm gonna tell you that now. But I'm wearing it because they're a super soft, light gray pant, and I just kind of thought the contrast of this top went well with them. This is a knit top, but I think it's one of those items that would be a workhorse in your wardrobe. You could dress it up, dress it down. It's 48% rayon, 48% polyester, and 4% spandex. If any of you are familiar with the 41 Hawthorn Benny wrap top, that's a knit material. This is that same kind of soft knit. And I had to say that I've had for years, and it was a workhorse in my wardrobe, and it washed well. So this one is a little different. And we're calling this top is called the Rylee twist neck knit top, dark gray, in an extra small. So it has like an unusual neckline that's off to the side and in a twist here. And then it has like the seam across the top. It is sleeveless. The armpits are good. Nothing I can complain about it. It isn't fitted, but it isn't boxy. I think it's a nice fit. And like I said, I paired it with my light gray my light gray dress pants, which are really tight here in my tush, and my pair of silver sandals for kind of a monochrome outfit. And yeah, if I were a couple pounds lighter, this would be a great outfit. So I like this top. I just don't think I need to add it to my wardrobe. And this top is reasonably priced at $44. I do recommend this top. I think this is a top that you can, again, do many things with. It's just my wardrobe is bursting right now, and I spent way too much money, and I really have to be cognizant of where I'm spending the money. And I have to say to myself, if I send it back, will I be sad? And if the answer is no, then I can send it back. All right, give me a minute. I have one more clothing item and then an accessory to show you. Okay, up next is a completely different outfit that I put together. What they sent me is the 41 Hawthorn, I can't say that word, Lena Unlined open front pocket, I guess, blazer in white, size extra small for $78. Not a bad price for a blazer. Like they said, it is unlined. There are pockets. It has the 3/4 sleeves or half sleeves really that are ruched. So you really couldn't wear this with anything long sleeves. They're calling this color white, but I'm sorry, it is ivory. It is definitely not white. It's a Ponte knit. Let's see if I can find what the material is on this for you. It is 66% rayon, 30% nylon, 4% spandex, and you can machine wash cold with light colors and tumble dry low. Now, I don't bother steaming or ironing my clothes because if I'm not going to keep it, I don't want to take a chance of damaging it. And you can see it came in a box, and it's pretty much like a wrinkled mess. I think if you steamed it though, it would stay nice. I just think it's from the traveling that it is this. It's super stretchy, super comfortable. There are no buttons or snaps. Do like this blazer. This is a regular extra small. Keep in mind I'm 5'2", so it's a little bit longer on me, but I'm okay with that. I think it's a very flattering blazer. I just don't need it. I have an ivory colored blazer already. I was looking for a linen pure white blazer, something very lightweight. do wear during the summertime. And honestly, I don't mind sleeves that I could push up and whatnot, but this really, I think, limits me as to the tops that I could wear with it. And I do like the ruched sleeves, but these are really just a half sleeve. If they came down here, I could then, you know, cuff my shirt up over it, but how could you wear a long sleeve shirt with this, right? So this is definitely a no, not a bad price either. So this is going back. All right, I'll show you the back of it. Again, it's a nice blazer, nice material, reasonable price, just don't need it. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you my accessory. Okay, the last item was a specific request to my stylist. I also had a Pinterest pinned on my board, and I suggested, my inspiration board, and I suggested that I really could use these in my wardrobe because it's gonna go great with my mauve jacket. And by the way, I wore this week, and I think I mentioned it was cut from the cloth. It is not. This is a Liverpool denim jacket. So what she sent, I only put one in, is the NAKAMOL Jakar Teardrop earring in color purple. It's $38. So not a bad price, I personally don't think, for this delicate earring. So this is the way it looks, and then I kept one out because I wanted to show you. The colors match perfectly. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the color goes great with this jacket. So I wanted these. I thought they were going to look good with them. I really like the muted colors in these. There's some blue, there's some like ivory and like a mauve and kind of like a pinky color too. So pretty. I have a pair of teardrop earrings already by NAKAMOL, but the colors are completely different. So these are a no-brainer. These are staying with me. No questions about it. All right. And again, I just kept one in so you can see the size of it. It is not heavy at all. Very comfortable. And yeah, these are a winner for me. So that is my fix. What did you guys think? I thought this was a really good fix. I think the items that she picked for me were really nice. There was nothing wrong with any of them. That I like them all. It's just that I have to start being really particular. The earrings are a no-brainer. They were something I wanted. And I think I actually had pinned these Michael Starr pants as well too. And I'm glad she sent them, and I tried them on, and I really do like them. I'm thinking about them. Let me know your thoughts below. I mean, again, these are some, even though they're $158, there's something that I would keep in my wardrobe for years and years and years and years. Everything else I think I'm going to send back. It's nothing I absolutely need, and I could start saving some money. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.